We are the everlasting brand. The value of sustainability. Being originate from dreams of becoming a pioneer of providing chemicals and equipment. Over 20 years of operation in the field of chemicals and laboratory equipment, VIETCHEM always focuses on customers and commits to all customer needs. On the journey of non-stop development, we have expanded our branch system from Hanoi, Hưng Yên and Dinh Vu Hai Phong Port, to Ho Chi Minh City, Can Tho City and Dong Nai Province. Thanks to focusing on investing in upgrading infrastructure, VIETCHEM now owns factory in Van Lam Industrial Zone, Hưng Yên, with an area of over 70,000 square meters. VIETCHEM and its partners invest in constructing Co-Hai Ha store containing industrial solvent products and 50% NaOH solution. The warehouse is located at Dinh Vu Port in Hai Phong, which is convenient for receiving goods from ships of at least 5,000 tonnage. Thanks to focusing on investing in upgrading infrastructure, improving and applying modern technology in the chemical manufacturing industry, focusing on upgrading storage facilities with specialized production areas including meeting standards. Liquid preparation area. Dry chemical storage area. Storage area of specialized liquid chemicals. Waste water treatment area. With the concept that people are the core of sustainable development, creating good values for customers and the community. VIETCHEM always puts production and labor safety at the forefront by strictly guide and train incident response plans for all employees. VIETCHEM is providing industrial chemicals. Chemical products provide mainly for the following purposes: wastewater treatment, mining, plating, solvent, scaling, printed circuit board production, food industry and maintenance chemicals, providing advanced scientific and technical equipment, testing instruments, providing services of consultancy, repair, and maintenance of scientific and technical equipment. The process of chemical loading is strictly in accordance with the regulations on labor safety. With a system of transport vehicles, up to 100 units are always ready to serve customers quickly and on time. With a business philosophy of bringing quality values to customers while focusing on health and environmental safety. VIETCHEM constantly improves and develops products with rigorous testing process from the source input to finished product before market.
All production processes, from mixing to packaging delivery, are monitored closely by highly qualified engineers.
Quality management is followed by ISO 9001-2015 standards. Environmental management is followed by ISO 14001-2015 standards. And Certificate of Occupational Health and Safety Management System ISO 45001:2018. With the motto of cooperation for development, VIETCHEM is always focused on improving product quality, fulfilling commitments with partners. Customers including big and difficult units such as Samsung, LG, Nestle, Miko, EVN, Heineken, Habico, Sabico. Always aiming for 3 criteria: reliable quality, quick service, dedicated consultant. We continue to carry out the mission of accompanying the sustainable development of the chemical industry. VIETCHEM firmly becomes the leading unit supplying chemical products and scientific equipment in Vietnam.